Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Display section, scroll all the way down, and tap on Display Refresh Rate. Now just tap on the best option for you. I will go with this one. When you're ready, tap on the back button. So when I go back, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!